Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence. वाक्य के भेद. Students, we have already studied that there are four kinds of the sentence. वाक्य के चार भेद होते हैं. फर्स्ट assertive, ASSERTIVE, assertive sentence. Somebody call it assertive, somebody call it descriptive. So students, assertive sentence means निश्चय वाचक वाक्य. निश्चयवाचक वाक्य. What is assertive sentence? What is assertive sentence? Definition. The sentence which states or says something is called assertive sentence. The sentence, वह वाक्य which states or says, जो इशारा करता हो या संकेत करता हो. Says means state means संकेत करना और say means कहना. वह सेंटेंस जो कुछ संकेत करता हो या कुछ कहता हो is called assertive sentence. उसे निश्चयवाचक वाक्य कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल Sohan eats a mango. In this sentence something has been said about Sohan. Second example, we are sitting in the garden. We are sitting in the garden. हम लोग बागीचे में बैठे हैं. This sentence states something or says something. In the third example, Ravi has eaten two apples. Two apples. In this sentence, something is said about Ravi. In the fourth example, Sonam was going to a school. Sonam was going to a school. Sonam विद्यालय जा रही थी. In this sentence, also something is also said about Sonam. In the next example, Pramod has helped me. Pramod has helped me. प्रमोद मेरी सहायता किया है. Something is said in this sentence about Pramod. In the sixth example, Rohan is not going to Patna. Sohan is not going to Patna. Sohan पटना नहीं जा रहा है. In this sentence, also something is also said about Rohan. So these all sentences are example of assertive sentence. Students, an assertive sentence always begins with capital letter. Always begins with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Such as this sentence start with capital letter W and ends with a full stop. An assertive sentence may be positive or negative. Example, all these sentences are positive, but the last sentence, Rohan is not going to Patna, this sentence is negative. So students, an assertive sentence may be positive and may be negative too. Students, assertive sentence are simple sentences. Generally, these sentences tells or states something about the person or things. Friends, now we shall study about imperative sentence. imperative imperative sentence imperative sentence means आदेश आदेश बोधक वाक्य। इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस मीन्स आदेश बोधक आदेश। व्हाट इज एन इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस? आदेश बोधक वाक्य क्या है? इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस imperative sentence आदेश बोधक वाक्य। the sentence which expresses the sentence which expresses a command a request or an advice is called an imperative sentence। imperative sentence the sentence वह वाक्य which expresses a command, a request or an advice is called an imperative sentence। वह वाक्य जो आदेश, अनुरोध और सलाह को व्यक्त करता है उसे इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस यानी आदेश बोधक वाक्य कहते हैं। एग्जाम्पल go there kill the snake don't make a noise in the class please help me take an exercise in the morning take medicine with milk kindly kindly give me money. Students, these are imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. They expresses command, request or advice. Go there. वहां जाओ. This sentence expresses command. Kill the snake. सांप को मार दो. This sentence also expresses command. Don't make a noise in the class. वर्ग में हल्ला ना करो. This sentence also expresses command. Please help me. कृपया मेरी मदद करें. This sentence request expresses request. Take an exercise in the morning. सुबह में व्यायाम करें. This sentence expresses advice. Advice means सलाह. Request means अनुरोध. And command means आदेश. Command means आदेश. Request means अनुरोध. Advice means सलाह. Take medicine with milk. Take medicine with milk. दवा दूध के साथ लें. This sentence also expresses advice. Kindly give me money. दया करके मुझे पैसे दें. This sentence also express request. Students, in this way, some sentences of imperative express command. Some sentence of imperative sentence expresses request. Some sentences of imperative sentence expresses advice. In this way, these sentences expresses command, request or advice. Students, how to recognize? Recognize means पहचानना. How to recognize an imperative sentence? Students, generally an imperative sentence starts with a capital letter and starts or begins with a capital letter and main verb. In this sentence, the subject is missing. Go there means you go there. Go there means you go there. And you is missing. You is missing. Students, this is understood subject. You is added in the sentence of imperative sentence. Kill the snake. सांप को मार दो, but who will kill the snake? It means in subject is you and you is missing. You is understood and missing. Don't make a noise. हल्ला मत करो. But who will stop the make a noise? कौन? हल्ला कौन नहीं करेगा? It means there is a subject, but this subject is missed and understood, and the subject is always you in the imperative sentence. So students, I hope that you must have understood about assertive sentence and imperative sentence. Thank you.